In this video we will see fancy dress competition speech on the topic Moon. Good morning everyone, respected principal, teachers, sirs and my dear friends. My name is Ravi. I am a moon. I was formed when the rock hit the earth. I am white in color. I am the fifth largest satellite in the solar system. I have no water and no one can breathe on me. I change my shape each night. I don't have my own light. I shine due to sun. I am 1/4 size of the earth. I am dusty ball of rock with a diameter around 3,475 kilometers. Neil Armstrong was the first person to land on Moon. I am worshipped as lunar deity. Thank you.